In this video, I will be showing you how to set up your new Mac laptop. So here I have got my MacBook Neo and I'll be showing you how to set it up. This is the first time I am opening it and we'll be getting this hello interface in different languages. You can simply click on continue, just click on this. And first thing is it will ask you to select the language. We can simply use the mouse or even our arrow keys to select the language of your choice. Once you are done that, just click on this arrow key. Next is we need to select the country or region. Just select the one of your choice and click on continue. Here it says next it's asking us to transfer our data into this new Mac. So we can transfer the data from our old Mac, from a Windows PC, from an iPhone or iPad. I don't want any of those. I want this laptop to be new without any data from the previous systems. So I will just click on the last one. If you want, you can select any of these and continue. I will just click on continue. Yep, these are fine. Click on continue. If you want to customize, you can click on this customize settings and customize. But I'm fine with these. Select continue. You can just go through this if you want to. I don't want this. I will click on not now. Next is it will ask us to select the Wi-Fi network. Make sure that you are selecting it and click on continue and click on join, and we'll be getting this data and privacy. This is fine. We can simply click continue. And next it is asking us to create a Mac account, and the important thing is the password we enter here will be used into login into this Mac, so make sure that you are remembering it. We are done creating a Mac account. Now we need to create our Apple account. So using this Apple account, as it clearly says, we can use iCloud, the App Store and other Apple services. If you already have it, you can simply directly log in or forgot password and get back the account. If you don't have an account, just select create new Apple account, because this step is really important. So make sure that you are creating an account. If you don't want to create it now, we can simply click setup later also. It's asking if I want to skip this step. Yeah, I will just click on skip now because I will set it up after I get into my Mac. So I'll just click on skip. Agreement, read it through and click on agree. Click on agree here. Enable location services. If you want to do that, that's up to you. Click on continue. I'll just click on don't use. And next we need to select our time zone. If you want to share the analytics, you can do that. After that, click on continue. I'll just go with setup later. If you want, you can do that. And Apple Intelligence, this is going to give us a lot of feature. I will just click on continue. For this, I will just click setup later. This also I'll go with setup later. Go with not now. And next we can select the theme, and now we will be getting the welcome screen. And another important thing, all the settings that we have configured initially can be changed in the future also once you log in, so it's not a big deal if you skip it now or click on set it up for later. Alright, so just click on get started, and that's it. We'll be getting into the Mac's beautiful desktop. So you can just create an Apple account and start using everything and customize based upon your use cases. That's a video, guys. Do check the playlist of my channel. Done a lot of videos in programming and AI tools. Subscribe me. Thanks for watching.